welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas. Today we are doing a house tour for Christmas. So I'm going to just show you around all the Christmas decorations, show you what I've done. So let's get into it. Alright, so our front door just has this wreath. We do have some lights on it that are actually battery operated and are currently not working. And then the only other decoration we have are just these lights up here. We didn't do a ton outside, but I wanted to show that to you guys. So when you walk in, we've got this nice rug from Amazon, as well as a little basket with some extra blankets. To the left of the door, we have our little drop station, so I just have a tripod in my purse. And then we also have our keys and a lint roller in this thing. It's just kind of like a cute little thing that's there all the time. And then to the right of that is our first built-in shelf. This came with the house. And these are the decorations. I'll just kind of give you an overview. And these lights actually come on at night. I meant to turn them on for the video, but I forgot. This little sparkle ball, I can't remember where it's from. I've had it for a while. Target dollar spot last year. Same with that. The frame is from Home Goods. This here, I believe, is from Home Goods, but it was a long time ago. Target. That's just a vase from the dollar store. That was a gift from James. This is Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, dollar store, and my friend gave that to me. And then we have these lights around here, as well as our Merry Christmas sign. This sign actually came with a different top, and I redid it this year so it matched my decorations because it was really red. So I've had this for a few years. And then our other built-in shelf and our piano. So I'll just kind of show you that, and I'll tell you where some things are from if I can remember. So this tree here is from Target. The frames are actually from the dollar store. And then that frame here is from Michael's. And then the candle is Target. The little houses are Target. We've got some potpourri from Hobby Lobby, Target candle, Home Goods candle, and this little fun guy is from Target last year. He's like a little beanbag, super cute. So then back down from the piano, we also just have an ottoman over here with extra blankets. And then if we move over to the right, we have our TV. So this little corner is one of my favorites. I think it is so cozy. We have our stocking little setup here. So we've got James, Kaycee, Maui, Katie, and Grandma, because my sister and my grandma are coming for Christmas this year. This garland is from Home Goods, and these are from Hobby Lobby. The letters are from Walmart, and the dog stocking is from Hobby Lobby. So then up here we have a fake candle here. It doesn't light anymore, but that's from Hobby Lobby. The candle holder is from Hobby Lobby with this mistletoe Yankee candle. And then we have this reindeer here, which is from Target. This is my plant I bought right after we got married. As you can see, it has really grown. It literally touches the floor and could stretch out really far. And I just entwined some twinkly lights in it, and I think it's so cute. I love the way that looks. This I got from Home Goods a while ago. So yeah, not really sure where you can get that. This chair was a $5 chair from Walmart. This blanket I've had for a while, and this is from Five Below. And then over here is another little cozy corner that I love. This is my Victrola tabletop record player, and we were just listening to Sinatra, but it stopped. And then all my records are down here. If you guys want to have a record collection, you should let me know. I have very, very many. So just let me know if you want a video going through all my vinyls. Now we have the tree. Love, love, love the tree. All the presents. I have many more to wrap. Just a little look at the tree so you can kind of get the vibe of it. It is so beautiful. It couldn't have turned out any better. I'm in love with it so much. Some of the fun ornaments we have are We're Engaged ornament, as well as our first home over there. And then I believe over here we have our wedding picture and an ornament. Moving on to our couch. No idea where our couch is from. It came with the house. I would love to replace it. Just hasn't happened yet. This blanket here is super cute. It has little trees on it, and it's just kind of for show from Home Goods. The pillow's from Target this year, so you could probably still get that. And then we have this really fluffy, fuzzy blanket. It's probably my favorite blanket ever from Five Below. And of course, I will have as many of these things as I can linked below. Here's our coffee table. The sun is really shining right now, but this is from Home Goods. We use this all year round. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was actually it had a little holder in it and I just ripped it out. These are from Home Goods. Use them all year. And then our Christmas time is here candle from Target. This rug is also from Amazon and it was very affordable. If I can find it, I will make sure to link that as well. Moving on to our kitchen. So when you walk in, we have the sink here. All is calm, all is bright from Hobby Lobby. And then our Vanilla Bean Noel soap. And then we've got our tiered tray here. This also has twinkly lights, but the batteries ran out, so we need to replace those, but this looks really cute when they twinkle. And I just put some potpourri around there, along with the Merry Everything mug. These are Mary's Treats and a succulent. Over here we just have some appliances, and then this is our pantry and storage down there. This is our guest bedroom. I have 0 Christmas decorations in there, and I featured it in my last home tour, so I'm not gonna include that. And then we have our stove with our nice Christmas towel from Home Goods. And there's my iced coffee. And then we have our fridge, Maui's little corner. And then over here is the trash, and then this section of the kitchen. So the only real decorations over here are the Christmas lights that we taped up underneath here, just to kind of give it a cool vibe, and they're also taped on top of the cabinet as well. So then that leads us into the bathroom. So I do have twinkle lights up here. They come on at night. And then the only thing we have in here is this Be Merry Spiced Apple Toddy candle. This is seriously one of the best smelling candles I have ever smelt. And then just a little Christmas tree from Target. And this door leads to outside. And if you turn this corner and go downstairs, you would go to our basement, which everything is very muddy and messy. Our backyard is basically all mud. So that is why that looks that way. It's actually clean. It's just stained. This rug is very used as well. It gets stained from all the mud. And this is from Home Goods. And then this rug is from IKEA. And then we just have the toilet and our Christmassy Febreze, as well as my favorite raccoon. We'll head on to the other side of the house now. So here's our dining room. I really love how this turned out. We have these here that we have all year. And then this macrame is new. And I'm actually gonna clip our Christmas cards that we receive on that. And then we have Maui's toys and this fake fiddly fig. Here's the table. I love how the table turned out. These are from Home Goods last year. I think this one has a stain. We're just being real. These candles are from Home Goods, and then the wreath is from Home Goods, the garland. And then I just used some bulbs and potpourri to go around the candles. Here's our second tree. This is our memory and random ornaments tree. So these are just all the ones that don't really match the theme, but there are still ones we want to use. And then over here, we have 2 things, 2 floating shelves. I'll let you read the letterboard for yourself. I thought it was cute. And then down here, we just have a fake plant from Home Goods. This closet here is just our utility closet. There's lots of cleaning and random supplies in there. Just for the sake of being genuine, it's very messy. It's not horrible, but it needs to be reorganized. Then over here we have this fox picture. Got this from Walmart, and I think it's so cute. Moving into the bedroom, We put this up here. It's kind of cheesy, but it's cute. And here's the bedroom. Maui, say hi. So walking into our bedroom, over here's our dresser that we eventually want to paint. Just haven't gotten to it yet. Above that is 3 roses. I've shown this before, but dating, engaged, and then one from our wedding bouquet. So I'm really happy I made that. We've got some twinkle lights here and a plant. Pretty self-explanatory. Sweater weather candle. We love it. Here's Maui's bed and our mirror. And then this is our little memory box. So we actually made this together and we put little memories from dates and things that we do together in it. Over here's the bed, Maui's favorite spot. And she sees a dog. This blanket is from Five Below, Target, Amazon, the whole like comforter is from Target, and then these are from Walmart. The macrame is from Amazon, and then we've got the 2 hanging plants, this rope light, and then over here is my nightstand. So this just has like different things like melatonin and lotion and chapstick. And then we have my iPad, my phone charger, the books I'm currently reading, as well up here. This keeps my rings in it. It's from our wedding. It was actually our ring box. And so I just have my rings in there. And then a wine bottle and a picture of me and James. I have our little basil plant over here. I harvested like all the basil off of it, so we're hoping it regrows. So over on this corner, we have these J and K letters, as well as James' nightstand with his current books, this picture I drew of us, his slippers. This is his closet. And then these are from our wedding. And then we just have this has extra blankets, and I just threw that pillow on there because I love the pillow, but it had red in it and I didn't want it in the living room. So then if we move over here, the last room in the house to show you is my office. So here's my office. The only real decorations in here is this Christmas candle. This is one of my absolute favorite candles. And then this Too-Faced powder, gingerbread powder, as well as the lights. And I have this quote here that I really love from Maya Angelou. And then over here, we just have some of my favorite pop culture things. And one of my other favorite quotes. You can pause if you'd like to read it. And then, yeah, this is my desk setup. So it is different from the last time. This is like makeup and skincare and hair stuff. That's my makeup. And then here we have my laptop, along with this stone that is to promote creativity. I can't remember the name of it, but my sister got it for me. So it's charging my laptop with creativity. We have my Cricut, all my planning things, printer, and then this is all crafting, scrapbooking, Cricut stuff in here. We have my calendar, and then my bookshelf. So these are just all my current books that I have out. I have more books than that, but those are just the ones that are out right now. And then my Harry Potter series, except it's missing the first one because James is reading it. This is like my Taylor Swift section, and then just some scrapbooks and magazines. Dirty laundry basket, my extra bags. And then here's my nail polish, hello, jewelry, and I hang my robes on the back of the door. Here's this side of the closet. Down here is a box full of gifts for people. But we just have my clothes. They are color coordinated, so that's what they look like. Really special, I know. There's just some random stuff up there. So here's the other side of the closet. These are dresses, pants, underwear, bras, socks, and then shoes. Some of my shoes are missing. And then random junk. All right, guys, so that's the end of my house tour. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas house tour, and I hope it gave you some ideas for things that you could include in your home for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.